or removed?
Yeah.
Between Mo and the University of Education for when I know now one my boy is broken hearts, pa. Single?
No.
You are not single.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now to make your boyfriend proud, you know, mention your boyfriend's name. Mention your boyfriend's name. What is it? Make him proud. Hey, so what's your boyfriend's name since you are so loyal to him?
You mention it later.
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 See, if this is your girlfriend and she's unable to mention your name, means say she dey cheat on you because this simple.
Cheating.
So mention it.
He's a low key.
What's your red flag in a guy? Ever name her in the or turn her off?
There might be a guy who beats women.
Okay.
A broke guy too.
A broke guy.
Yeah.
Or a red flag.
A stingy guy.
Okay. Now, when was the last time Eche Beninaze? Also from Swedru.
Cape Coast.
Igwe. Akwato Jujuba.
What that one time?
You're great then.
No guy and you will be.
Correct girl, Cape Coast. Now Cape Coast girl is singular.
Senior.
I'm Caroline.
Caroline.
Yeah.
If you winneba.
Oh, that be me free winneba.
Where you from?
Swedru.
Swedru.
Yeah.
Oh. From a park to the rich, still we there winneba. As usual, Aboakyer Festival 2025. Now, yeah, Benny isn't kind of chrome where we try on what they go on for town. But now, one of the finest beaches of our central region. You can't take Sir Charles Beach out of it. In Tiawaha, now we are here to interact with the people of winneba, people that came in, tourists, people that came to have fun, and let's find out how it feels to be a winneba person. Into our from a park or rich, we are here. Subscribe to the channel, follow this page, and share the link. And it'll be soon to me. More videos for you. Ata. Where are you from? Akimoda. Into if you want a busy festival and eco school.
No, please, I'm a student over here, so I came to celebrate.
Okay. Which school?
College of Community Health Nursing Winneba.
Okay, nursing school one. I see. So between Mo and the University of Education for when I know now one my boy is broken hearts, pa. Because University of Education recently we had the news there. Girl be a cheat to a boyfriend or why commit suicide, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to do this test. Singular.
No.
You are not single.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now, to make your boyfriend proud, you know, mention your boyfriend's name. Mention your boyfriend's name. What is it? Make him proud. Make him proud. If there are many,
Oh no, there's many.
only one person,
Yes.
then make him
For
proud.
some personal reasons.
So you mention his first name. Nobody will know.
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel. But Emmanuel, so I'm out for a red flag. Oh.
I have red flag on the side.
Okay, you come. Right. Are you single or not single? Oh, you are single?
Yes.
Okay, so if you are single, then are you on TikTok or Instagram?
None of them.
None of them?
Yeah.
Okay, then you are free to go. But she's single. Epena, let me know when. I know you are not ready.
We are ready to mingle.
Hey! Okay, now our friend then.
Susie.
Susie.
Yes.
Susie, are you single?
Yes, please.
Hey!
Yes.
Alright, Susie, so are you ready to mingle?
Hello.
Are you on TikTok?
Yes, please.
Then give them your TikTok account.
Pretty Susie. Pretty Susie.
Okay, pretty Susie. So, for DM, na one kasa ata.
Okay.
Hey, you. Alright, what's the name?
Patience.
Patience.
Yes.
Ozoko.
Oh no, I'm not a local.
Are you single?
No.
You're not single?
Yes.
What's your boyfriend's name?
Brother Richie.
Brother.
Richie.
I see.
Richie, baby.
Yay! So, if we ask you to tell Richie some sweet words, how about some about country?
Oh. Richie is from He is the sugar in my cocoa.
Hey, Richie, a sugar in the cocoa.
The sugar in the cocoa, the sugar in that cocoa.
All right, Charlie, thanks for speaking to us.
Okay, thank you.
Lynn,
Yeah.
if you winneba,
Oh, da be free winneba.
where you from?
Swedro.
Swedro. Oh, okay. Tezako.
Oh, da be.
And you for side.
You are Malam.
Malam. Okay. Now, mommy, what's you from?
Cedra.
Sandra.
Cedra.
Cedra. You are also from Swedro.
Cape Coast.
Igwe. Akwato Jujuba.
But that one, son.
You're great then.
No, go and you will be.
Ah, correct girl. Cape Coast. Now, Cape Coast girl is single.
Senor.
A single.
Eh.
And your boyfriend. I say, sisters are single, but TikTok account no follow.
I, Cedra.
Ice Sandra. Okay. Now I'm single.
Oh, what's your da be?
Bra, 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 bra. So, she is taking when you're single. Now, we want you to make your boyfriend proud. Who boyfriend or friend then?
Maxwell.
Maxwell. Okay, Chana no boy, one. What does I go to body? Eh, so I don't guess you're a lawyer. Give it up for yourself. Yeah. Ibezine use what TikTok.
A1 Quincy love.
A1 Quincy
Love.
love. Now if you win it back.
Yeah.
Eh, into a
We
futu
are
kasana.
50-50.
50-50. That's a kasana.
Hey, mentio.
It's a one impo. Na afresh no hune then. Why nice.
I need you. You ready? I'm tired.
Ubo dry one. Now a boyfriend and a single.
Your boyfriend.
You a boyfriend. Okay, your boyfriend you show when he's in the main thing.
Remember Didi?
Great. When he's in the main thing.
Or the Ben.
Ben.
Ebenezer.
Okay, and I try that sister or lawyer. Ebenezer. Can be training. Can love ways to be training. Can love ways to be training. Uncle Eben.
And then saw your way.
Ah, I say if you win it by here. If you in fine. A track on. Oh, okay. Into a better bizarre fashion. I want creepy with her now there. But I be on spot. Now I'm single. Also, on your single into on your PNS in Chen. CJ in Abba. Our friend Sandra ice cream. What's of your track? Now, I be a boy or winneba. Well, I will be that. Bow boy needs an answer. Bow boy needs an answer. Why I come what does? Oh,
Hi,
what's your name?
I'm Abigail.
Abigail. Now, if you win it back, if you ain't
Miss Manchester.
Nana, me, son, my man, so me, a man, Cassim, that salt pond boy. Until if you man, Cassim, I bet a bizarre fashion. A bend they are. Oh, really? Now, I'm in TikTok.
Oh, yes.
Show up. Until I bet so far, you win it back then. You're enjoying it. Now, Ebe, in your boy.
Oh,
One can say, oh, boy, that. You need a single. Oh, how many years are single?
19.
Hi, it's actually here. Hey, Virgin Mary, so you're 25. Charlie, enjoy yourself. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll say beautiful. Yeah, we're still, yeah, we're winneba. Now I'm here with one of the most beautiful girls from Takrade. As out and then, or remove. Yeah. Charlie, tidy if you for side. As I came. And I could score winneba.
But mistake, winneba.
Oh, for how long now to winneba?
10 years.
10 years. Hey, if you took us and the by now, it's it.
We were kind of meant to buy.
Hey. But when was the last time you called Asakai?
That was Munkwabi.
All right. UAG. School, honey, Watson then. Hey. Why the moment called for broken hearts? Because Emma being broken hearts. You've not dated before.
I've dated before, but
How many times? Surprise your mother.
no, I think one.
Hey, now how many years now?
This year will be 20 years.
20 years. And then you started around
20 years.
20 years. And your mom still believes you're a virgin,
Yeah.
which you are not.
I'm a virgin.
Rituals are watching.
Yeah, I'm a virgin, true virgin.
Okay. Now you're dating, right?
3 years.
Now to make your boyfriend proud, but your boyfriend is in Mobile. If you are not cheating, when is in home? Ima. Hey, now you man, I was a red flag. Now you the data. Okay, Ima from where?
From Awoshi.
Awoshi. So do I ever win a band? Woman, may I wear do I Accra?
No, I don't go to Accra.
Oh, you can't
Just
say.
met a month ago.
A month ago. So you go fit serve you breakfast too.
No.
What would be your worst feeling when he calls you one day and he tells you it's over between us?
Now, as for him, he's a disciplined guy, so I don't think that will come.
He can't the trust man, oh, Ima. See, tell him, girls, tell her in the comment section. No boy is in Ima, also no boy need a disciplined person. Obviously, she's a newcomer in the Ima industry. But anyway, we wish you all the best with Ima.
Oh, definitely.
To save the dates, more hashtag bear body. His name and your name. Alright then.
Ima stroke Ina.
Ima stroke.
Ina.
Ina. So Imani or what? Imana 2030 or Imano 2050.
Imana 2020.
But he looks like you love him so much.
Yeah.
That's your first time falling in love.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait till you experience broken hearts. Anyway, thanks for speaking to us. Enjoy. Be a good girl, Osiazo. Aye. That's what I mean. You mean it? Our sissy fiani. Our sissy fiani. You see, this girl is from Kumasi. Obviously, like a Paluta fan, right? Now, sissy fiani. What's your name?
Chantel.
Chantel. But wasn't he a Shan?
Tell.
Is it L or R?
L. Chantel. Tell.
I heard Chantel.
Hey.
Anyway, I go to school in.
Rest of education.
Broken hearts for me.
You're working hard today.
Okay, are you dating?
Yes.
Mommy is aware they date. Underground. Mommy thinks you're a virgin.
I am.
Hey! So I be like, you don't get more virgins for that past Lego, no? Plenty. Anyway, so what's your boyfriend's name since you are so loyal to him?
Mention it later. Later.
See, if this is your girlfriend and she's unable to mention your name, me say she dey cheat on you because this is simple.
Cheating.
So mention it.
He's a low-key guy.
Lucky.
Yes.
You know how many girls where he gets?
No.
Anyway, please, if this is your girl, start having trust issues, oh.
Hey.
Yes, oh. Because she's not proud of you. On two
I'm
Mumbo
very proud.
Then just mention the first name.
No.
His middle name.
No.
Last name.
No.
Get your cheat. In your ninja, aye.
I'm not cheating.
Anyway, thanks for speaking to us. Hi.
Hello.
How my boy name when he's in the shout out?
Shout out to my mom.
When you mazia her papa. So what's your name?
Eugenia.
Eugenia. If you winneba.
Cape
Coast. Akoto juju ba wogu wo chano. You don't know.
Yeah.
Now what?
I'm a student here.
But hey, you're a Cape Coast vibe. Oh. Akoto juju ba wogu wo chano. You don't know.
Nah.
Cape Coast that's in fa. Esika fa mantem na enyim. All right. Hey, Bejuma.
I'm a student.
Students were in fa.
University of Education.
Mama broken hearts. Confirm. Anyway, and single another taking.
Be a single.
You're single. And sure. Into what's your red flag in a guy? What's your red flag in a guy?
There might be a guy who beats women.
Okay.
A broke guy too.
A broke guy.
Yeah.
Or a red flag.
A stingy guy.
Okay. Now, when was the last time you checked in Nazi?
Last week.
Last week.
Yeah.
Echanabaze.
Man perfume.
Perfume. What's the value of the perfume? What one about him?
Oh, 200 cedi plus.
200 CDs. Wow. Are your boyfriend and your husband?
I am my best friend.
Your best.
Yeah.
Best.
Yeah.
Hey.
She knew.
All right. Now, when was the last time you received a gift from the yin?
Oh, Monday.
Monday or more, Bazi?
Just Stroud.
James Brown.
Yeah.
I shall want to buy him.
Buy 150.
150. Next, I will lead 200 versus 150. An industrial woman, sugar mommy, you wear him being full. And I hear
Ye.
oh,
Monsago, but me nyambe for papa.
okay, check that date, Sida.
Me date to pemba. One up a mark, I'm missing me, papa. Monsago, I'm Mukumbia, I'm Murenya, Mamma will be a musician, me, papa.
Oh. What last boyfriend? Or yeah, then what she told you are not there. Or yeah, then. Or break your heart.
Oh, breaking my heart.
What she are not there, no, on show won't take care of you.
No, it's stingy.
Or you're stingy.
On 2 months on sham.
Oh,
Until me dance, this had me a single.
single, see, our TikToker.
But,
But I can't say, I no be interested. Or channel.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the Rich